Oh, we're going short, people. So I've gotten with trend here, I hope. And hopefully this is making a high, lower high that breaks through, breaks lower. And this is one leg down. Hopefully I can just get this second leg down. I'll be happy with that. So we have been in a fight here. We've never been up in this trade. Oh yeah, we were. We was up for a hot second right here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Breakout. We needed to break through that area. All right. Now we got something cooking. All right. So moving down. Okay. We really want another big flush. Would be great. If this candle could close really low, then I could get out the risk. We'll see. All right, we got good movement here. Good movement. I really think we can hit this target. Let me play it correctly. This is actually target. All right, we got 4 points. I'm gonna get out of risk now. Now let's see what the market will give us. See if we can hit this target. All right, there we go. Here we go. Here we
Target
go. Bam.
filled.
That's how you do it, baby. That's how you do it. Good leg. I mean, to the tick. Oh man, I could have stayed back. Oh well. Hindsight's 2020, right? Great trade. Say it with me.
Easy money.
Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So this one here is long overdue. If you have been trading for 3 to 5 years and you're still not profitable, if you tend to make a lot of money, then give it all back in one day, okay? If you're still struggling with over trading, this is the video for you. You have to watch this one because today I am going to explain to you what has been plaguing you. What's that thorn in your side that you haven't been able to shake, that's been keeping you from getting over the profitable trading hill. All right, in this video here today, I'm going to show you how trading self-sabotage has been your biggest enemy. All right, let's go deeper. All right, let's go deeper. All right, I'm excited for this one. All right, so check it out. This video, I must say, well, first let me say, hey, we've been killing it in August. Let me first start there because I want this to be documented for my own personal history. August 2024 has been the best month. I mean, we are eating out here. We eating in futures. Hey, in futures, we eating like, man, we barbecue chicken. I didn't eat barbecue chicken. We eating ribeye, cowboy ribeye in futures. We eating good, okay? Binary options, we eat. Hey, we eating red snapper, oxtails. Hey, we eating, okay? Forex, listen, Forex, we getting good cheesecake. We getting good sweet potato pie. All right, we eating. So I just wanted to say that first of all, in the month of August 2024, your boy been eating good. All right, your boy been eating good, and I want to help other people get over that profit hump. Right, get over that thing that's keeping you from making money. All right, because if you've been trading 3 to 5 years, let me tell you right now, it's not your strategy. All right, you don't need to find another indicator combination. Okay, you don't need to take another course. All right, you don't need to you know, it's not the technical side of things. All right, if you've been trading 3 to 5 years and you know that you can make money, like you see yourself, you make money, right? And then something happens where you give it all back. if that's you, guess what? You're so close to being profitable. You're so close to being profitable. And in this video right here, we're gonna get you over the edge. Hit that like button right now for your boy, because we're about to go in. All right. So here's the deal. You know how, say you're trying to lose weight, right? You know how it's like 50% your diet, and then it's 50% the work you put in the gym, right? That will really help you lose. Or if you're trying to bulk up, you know, it's going to be, you got to change your diet. then you got to get in that gym, right? So it's not just the diet, right? It's not just that. That can get you long. It's the most important in my opinion. It'll take you a long ways, but it's not it. Trading is the same way. It's truly about 50% technical analysis, 50% mindset. All right, because the bottom line is that if you have a strategy that wins at just 50%, we're not even going to talk about what price action can give you. But if you have a strategy that just wins at 50%, you actually should be making money in the markets. All right. The problem is your mindset. It's not the technical analysis, right? Technical analysis alone won't do it for you. Here's why. You are the problem. Okay. Prime example. Let me give you just a few examples of things that losing traders do, right? You're supposed to only take 5 trades a day. You take 7. All right. Nobody forced you to take 7 trades when you're supposed to only take 5. All right. You're supposed to only risk 2 points, but once the market goes against you, you start moving your stop down lower. Nobody made you move your stop down lower, right? Nobody made you move your stop down lower. Nobody made you take more trades you're supposed to. Then this is the big kicker that people do all the time. You add on to losing positions. Nobody made you add on to a losing position. All right. These are all self-sabotaging actions. Nobody made you do it. You chose to do it. Okay. You're still doing things that lead to failure. Okay. And many traders operate this way. All right. Many traders have it backwards. And it's our own human psychology that's working against you. This is what I mean. Let's say when you're in a winning trade, most people get afraid because they don't want to give back their paper earnings, right? But when you're down, you're hopeful, right? As long as you're still alive, you have this hope, and you'll do unprofitable things like add on to losing positions. The market has already showed you that you're wrong, yet you're hopeful because that trade is still going. That's backwards. You need to flip that around. When you're right and the market has proven you're right, don't be scared. Let that winner run. Okay. And when you're down, just cut your losses. All right. I am just fascinated by this study I came across where, and I think I may have quoted it wrong last time. Let me quote it correctly. It was 25,000 traders. They took 43 million trades. All right. So this is a huge sample size of data, right? What they found is that the traders, the 25,000 traders, they actually won at 62%. All right. They were winning 62% of the time. So how were they still losing money? On average, if they made 30 points or 30 pips, that's what they would make when they won, but they was losing 60 points or 60 pips, right? That's a 1 to 2 against you that you can't have. And that's because they do things like doubling up on losing trades, moving their stop loss, not cutting your losses immediately, not letting your winners run, not adding on to your winners. Okay. So if you've been losing, more than likely it's the mental side of the game. And I could go into discipline, but scratch discipline, because we don't like discipline. Let's be honest. And in the market gives you this freedom to do what you want to do, right? Because it's just you and a computer. Nobody can tell you. Nobody's over your shoulder telling you what to do. You just have to know that I'm going to do everything that I can to make my business the best trading business it can be. I'm not going to do things that self-sabotage me. Okay. I'm not going to do things that self-sabotage me. So what you're missing, what's keeping you from getting over the hill, is your mindset, right? Just saying you need discipline doesn't go deep enough. You need to evaluate the trades you take. You need to evaluate your trading sessions. And you need to make sure every session you don't do anything that does not lead to success. All right. Stop moving your stop loss. Stop doubling up on losing trades. Stop taking more trades than you're supposed to for the day. All right. All these things are keeping you from being profitable. All right. You actually have to learn how to lose. If you made money on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you having a losing day on Friday, so what? So what? If you only supposed to take 5 trades, and when you get to the 5th trade, you're down, but you still want to keep trading because you don't want to go over into the weekend on a losing day, but you just have 4 positive days. That's stupid. Okay. And I've done it myself and felt so dumb that I gave back the whole week's profit just because I couldn't accept losing on Friday. All right. These are things that losing traders do. You have to learn how to lose. You're not going to win every day, but if you can win the majority of times, right, you don't have to win every trade. If you just win 50% of your trades, but when you win 100 points, and when you lose 20 points, guess what? You're profitable. Okay. You don't have to win every trade. You have to understand that losing is just a natural part of trading. You're going to lose some trades, right? And you don't have to have a system that's winning at 90% for you to make money. All right. My price action setups, they're probably in between 70, 80, 60, 70. I know that's a wide range, but I mean, when you take the perfect second entry, it's probably a 90% trade. When you take a perfect high or low, it's probably 85, 90% trade, right? Therefore, I know if every trade I take is a higher low or a second entry, okay, I'm going to be all right. Even if I have a losing day, I'm going to be all right. I had a losing day today. Hey, I had a losing day today, but guess what? I actually won. You know why I won? Because I stopped at 5. I got to 5. I was in the negative. Guess what? I live to trade tomorrow. I still have an account to trade with tomorrow because I didn't overtrade today. And not only that, I'm so far ahead in profit on this month. So what? I had a losing day. Whoop-de-doo. I'm gonna be eating again tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I had to pay some taxes today, right? I had to pay some bills today. Had a losing day today. So what? I'm gonna be eating again tomorrow because I've been eating all month. It was actually time to have a losing day. It was actually time to have a losing day. I've been killing them, right? But I won. I won in here. You know what I'm saying? I won up here because I stopped. And I looked at some opportunities that I wanted to take, could have took. They would have lost. So all I would have been doing was compounding a losing day. All right. But listen to this. I just want to tell you this one story. We'll wrap it up with this. And I hope this is really helping you. Hey, if this has helped you, if you've seen value in this video right here, hit that like button right now. I greatly appreciate it. So check it out. My wife was reading me this comment. So this person said that they've been trading 5 years. And I don't know where the comment was from. I actually don't think it was from my site, but they said they've been trading 5 years. They were like, man, I'm really good. I can read a price chart. I can win, you know what I'm saying, for a couple weeks. And then I just blow it. And they said, I have 0 discipline. I have 0 patience. Okay. This is what the person said in the comments. I find that interesting. A couple of things. First, my heart goes out to this person because you know what? I was you. I could read a price chart like nobody's business. You know what I'm saying? I was winning, and then I would just give it all back in one day. Okay, so I've been there. My heart truly goes out to you. But here's the interesting thing about the statement they made. They know what the problem is. Patience and discipline. They said they got 0 patience. They got 0 discipline. Those things, that's mental. That's not their technical analysis failing them. That's not second entries failing them. That's not price action failing them. That ain't even indicators failing them. They said that they can trade. They actually know what they're doing. They have a fatal flaw that 90% of the market have, which is they haven't mentally taken control of the game. They're not playing the game from the mental side of things. They got the technicals down. You know what I'm saying? They can read a price chart. They can see I don't know what they were trading, but they said they can make money, right? They just lose it all back in one day. That's nothing. That song right there has been sung a lot. Okay. That's the 90%. If you want to make money in these markets, you have to think like the 10%. not the 90%. The 90% doesn't have discipline. The 90% breaks rules. The 90% don't let their winners run. The 90% don't add on to winners. The 90% move their stop loss. The 90% overtrade. The 90% take bad signal candles. The 90% don't wait for a particular setup. All right. The 90% is still using indicators. All right. The 90% makes mental. The 90% makes mental errors. I was gonna stop with that, but I got another one for you. Because you have to understand that you got to conquer fear. And fear is a funny thing in the market. You know how when you about to take that first trade of the day, you know, you feel some fear, right? You want to get the day started right. You want to take the perfect entry. There's a level of fear there, right? But you take that trade or whatever, you keep going, right? I find this fascinating. And you guys tell me whether this has ever happened to you. Have you ever noticed that once you lose a few trades and you're clearly over trading, right? Let's say you're supposed to stop at 5 and you're on trade like 7 and then you're on trade like 8. Have you ever noticed how like when you're on trade like 9, there's no fear? Have you ever noticed like when you're on trade 10, it's like, so what? Have you ever noticed when you're on trade 11, you're supposed to stop at 5, but you're on trade 11? Have you ever noticed that like you got all the confidence in the world that you're actually going to come back today? Why is that, people? Why is that? Again, that's just our human psychology playing against us. When you're down, you're hopeful. When you're down, you know what I'm saying? You don't have no fear. You just pulling the trigger left and right, right? When you're down, wrong mentality. When you're down, you need to be scared. You need to call it. You need to say, hey, this ain't the day. This ain't the day. When you're up, that's when you need to just be pulling the trigger over and over again. When you just hit them in the head, oh, that's another one, another win, another win, another win. That's when you have no fear and keep pulling the trigger and add on the trades and double up in trades when you're up. Don't do that type of stuff when you're down. And it's amazing how many people go about that the wrong way. When you should be fearful, you're hopeful. When you should be hopeful, you're fearful. You have to switch that around, okay? Try to stay even at all times. Try to keep your mind, your emotions under check at all times. But listen, if you want to become a profitable trader, you have to do what the 90% won't do. You have to not self-sabotage yourself. All right. If you know price action, if you've been following this channel and you've learned my price action strategy, you have the technical analysis information you need to make money. Okay. The next part you need is to get your mindset together, to not do things to self-sabotage your trading business. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm telling you, August has been what a month. I mean, if you're new to this channel, I'm telling you, I have been dropping some fire in August. I will go back and watch every video that I played in August if you're new to this channel, and I'm telling you, it's going to get you on the right foot for the rest of the year. We are primed and ready to increase on the sudden for the rest of 2024. The whole year, the year has already been great, but I'm telling you guys, get your mindset together, get your technical analysis together with price action, and you will increase on the sudden, and you will start to finally make money day trading. All right, so this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit me in the comments if you was feeling this one, folks. All right, if you was feeling this one, I'm telling you, you got to just make up in your mind, I'm not going to self-sabotage myself anymore. I'm going to follow my rules. I'm going to follow the trade rules. I'm going to follow the price action rules. I'm going to follow my trading plan. I'm going to believe that the market is going to give me ample opportunity to make money. Okay. And I'm not going to shoot myself in the foot. And you will make money. All right. So till next time, my name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye. If you're still searching for a high probability setup, check this video out right here.